Your Facebook ads are literally killing your sales. A new study just came out proving this to be true. I'll show you guys the exact study and what I mean by this in just a minute, and then we'll talk about ways to fix it. And if you guys are new here, my name's Alex. I cover ecom on this channel, so if you guys find any value in this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe for plenty more. So I'm subscribed to quite a few financial newsletters that get sent to my email each morning. I read through these daily, mostly to help out with my stock investments in day trading, but one of them is a marketing newsletter with a study in it that caught my attention the other day. A new stat just came out that seeing an ad 6 to 10 times made people 4.1% less likely to make a purchase than those who saw that same ad 2 to 5 times. Who would have thought that showing your ad more times actually decreases your sales? So the real question is, are your retargeting ads hurting your conversion rate? Well, honestly, they might be. So let's talk about ways to actually avoid this. So the first tip that I have for you guys is don't overspend on retargeting ads. So if you guys are unfamiliar with retargeting ads and how they work, I'm going to explain it really quickly. Retargeting ads just go after people that know about your brand but have yet to make a purchase from you. So these people already interacted with you, whether they interacted with your ads, just leaving a like or a comment, or interacted with your website, just checking things out, adding things to cart and everything like that. Basically, these people are already warmed up to your brand but have yet to make a purchase. So it's easier to convert these people compared to just cold traffic and cold leads, but you have to do a little bit of convincing and kind of re-show your ads to them a couple of times, but obviously not too much. So typically I like to take my retargeting ad budget and set it between 5 and 10% of my normal ad budget. So as an example, say I'm spending $100 a day on ads already for my brand and I want to start a retargeting campaign. 5 to 10% of that would be around $5 to $10 daily on my retargeting ads. Now with that, as you guys scale your stores and increase your budgets, you want to do so accordingly with your retargeting ads. So if you guys scale up from $100 to $200, now you want to spend $10 to $20 on your retargeting ads and vice versa. So if you guys end up cutting the budget in your normal ad sets back a bit, make sure to do so in your retargeting ads as well, or you guys will be overspending. Another way to avoid customer burnout in your retargeting ads is by creating new ads frequently. Now, I know retargeting ads are very different from your normal ads and your normal ad campaigns, but the same concept lies here that you want to change things pretty often. So you want to change up like your placements or your creatives or your angles, your offers, your product images, everything like that, because your customers are going to be shown the same bucket of retargeting ads until they either drop out of that list or make a purchase and join your customer list, and then that's a whole new series of tactics from there. So basically what I try to do is create new ads for my retargeting campaigns weekly, and then from there I learn from the winners and I disregard the losers. So if like a certain creative works better, I'll often recycle that or make future images very close to that, or like if an offer works better than the other offers, I'll run with that longer, or if an offer just doesn't work at all, I'll never try that again. Well, I'll try it again, but won't try it as often, or I won't try tactics just like that. So make sure you guys learn from your winners and disregard your losers going forward. I know you want to create new things weekly, but you can kind of build off of them and just improve your ads overall. So that's all I've really got for today. I saw that study the other day and it really shocked me, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. So if you guys found any value from this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe for plenty more. I have 2 ecom resources linked in the description below. You're welcome to check out either one of those. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.